Welcome to the Hamsi Analytics Daily Market Commentary. I'm Paulo Navarro. Today is Wednesday, May 9, 2012. For the markets, the S&P 500 futures saw a high of the day of 1360.75 and a low of the day of 1339.25. We closed at 1351. Today's volume was 2.5 million contracts, higher than the 20-day moving average of 1.8 million contracts. For the Nasdaq futures, the high of the day was 2632.25 and a low of the day of 2584.25. We closed at 2619.25. Today's volume was 370,000 contracts, higher than the 20-day moving average of 280,000 contracts. For the market internals, the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline differential closed at negative 1,079. Nasdaq advanced decline differential closed at negative 725. There were 6 new 52-week highs for the S&P 500 and 10 new 52-week lows for the S&P 500. For the volatility, there were 412,000 contracts traded and 53 million premiums paid. The May dollar-weighted put-call ratio saw a 0.66 reading with 27% of the total premiums paid. For June, a 0.38 reading with 37% of the total premiums paid. July, 0.31 reading with 10% of the total premiums paid. And August, a 9.56 with 20% of the total premiums paid. Today we have a special offer by TradeStation. You could get Hamsi Analytics proprietary indicators paid for you by TradeStation. For the contact information, you could contact Peter Albino at the phone number listed below. Okay, here we have the daily chart for ES. As you can see here, we're down 9 handles. We're going into the close right now. As you can see here on the daily chart, we almost bounced out of the 3-6 today. We had a big down day today in the morning. We were selling off pretty hard, and then we bounced somewhat off the lows. Still a down day for the day, but not as negative. Pretty much very similar as yesterday, as you can see here on the 30-minute chart. We opened around here, then we started going higher, made a couple of lows, and after the low that was made, we just came higher, bounced, made new highs, continued to go higher the whole day, and then just at the afternoon they just sold off the market and pretty much ended up basically stable in the middle of the day session. On the moving averages, as you can see here, we bounced off the 100-day moving average. We broke it for a minute or so, but basically we were at the 100-day moving average. We broke and bounced off that level, so that was positive. The negative thing is that we made even a lower low that we made yesterday, and we broke the lows of the week that were made on Monday. Not by much, by 2 handles or so, but still we made a new low. So the next level on the downside, we're looking at 1334, which was the lows here, some support we have there. If we're not able to hold there, we could probably go see 1300 pretty fast. So we'll see what happens. On the upside, we're looking for the 50-day moving average around 1381. So those are the 2 ranges that we're looking so far. On gold, again, very interesting action happening on gold. Another big down day for almost a percent lower, but still we bounced off the lows. We came back. Still we're looking right now, next level at the 1550 would be our target on the downside. Big down red candle, so not much positive news. You could try to trade against the 1645, but still a lot of momentum needs to get going to get up there. So next target, we're looking at the 1550 on silver. Again, another bad day for silver. Was down almost a percent, but I keep again an eye that we bounced off the lows today. We've now reached the target that we've talked about when we broke the 30 level. We were looking for 28. Today the low was actually 28.61. We bounced off that low. Again, I'm seeing a lot of momentum to the downside, maybe going back even to the 26 level. So that would be an important level to watch, the 26, making new lows again for silver. Last chart, the VIX. On the VIX here, you can see we got an update, 6% higher. We're making new highs. Still, we're not closing on the highs because we're seeing some bounce off the lows of the S&P. So that's what we're getting, but still volatility is coming back to the market, which is important. And we'll keep an eye on that. I'll see you tomorrow.